Welcome to Global Online. In this CTET 2024 science session on the world of living, we will tackle key MCQs along with detailed explanation to strengthen your preparation. Let's dive in and master this topic together. Meanwhile, subscribe to Global Online for more exciting videos. Let's get started. Guys, before moving forward, I would like to introduce Global Online's complete CTET 2024 course, covering all the subject with the full syllabus. You will get the access to video lectures and interactive live classes from expert educators. In this course, we have complete syllabus notes, topic-wise MCQs, and mock tests to sharpen your skills. This course is made specially for CTET 2024 aspirants, giving you every tool you need for the success. For more details, contact us on WhatsApp on the given numbers, or you can simply download Global Online app from Play Store. Question is, what are unicellular organisms called? Options are given: primitive organisms, bacteria, parasites, and option D, viruses. Guys, the correct answer will be bacteria because unicellular organisms, also known as single-celled organisms, it include bacteria. They consist of just one cell that performs all the function necessary for life. Other examples of unicellular organisms include protozoa and some algae. So the correct answer for this question will be B, bacteria. Next question is, which Indian scientist become famous for the discovery that plants also have feelings and sensation? We have option for this question: Dr. Hargobind Khurana, option B, Jagdish Chandra Bose, option C, Dr. Jayant Narlikar, option D, Birbal Sahani. Guys, the correct answer will be Jagdish Chandra Bose because Jagdish Chandra Bose was the scientist who demonstrated that plants respond to stimuli in a way similar to animals, providing that they have feelings and sensation. So the correct answer is option B, Jagdish Chandra Bose. Let's move to the next question. Which disease is caused due to deficiency of vitamin A? We have options here: night blindness, beriberi, scurvy, and all of the above. Guys, the correct answer is going to be option A, night blindness. The reason is vitamin A deficiency primarily causes night blindness, a condition where a person finds it difficult to see in a low light or darkness. While vitamin deficiency also lead to other conditions like beriberi, which is due to B1 deficiency, and scurvy, which is due to C deficiency, they are not related to vitamin A. Hence, the correct answer is option A, night blindness. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is the most contagious infectious disease? We have options here: option A, cancer, option B, leprosy, option C, influenza, and option D, malaria. Guys, the correct answer will be option C, influenza, because it is commonly known as flu. It is highly contagious and spread rapidly through the air or direct contact. Cancer is not infectious, leprosy is less contagious, malaria is transmitted by mosquitoes rather than being directly contagious. So the correct answer for this question is option C, influenza. Let's move to the next question. Which of the main function of liver in the human body? We have options here: helping in the digestion of food, producing digestive juices, option C, storing glucose, and option D, purifying the blood. Guys, the correct answer will be option D, purifying the blood, because the liver plays a key role in the filtering and purifying the blood, removing toxins and waste products. It also helps in storing glucose, producing bile for digestion, and supporting metabolism. However, its primary function is detoxification and blood purification. So the correct answer is option D, purifying the blood. Let's move to the next question. After donating blood, the typical waiting period before donating blood again is dash dash. We have options here: option A, 1 year, option B, 1 month, option C, 6 months, and option D, 3 months. Guys, the correct answer is going to be option C, 6 months, because after donating blood, it is recommended to wait for about 6 months before donating again. This allows the body enough time to replenish the lost blood and ensures the donor's health is not compromised. So the correct answer is option C, 6 months. Let's move to the next question. The spread of a disease plague occurs through which of the following? Options are option A, mosquitoes, option B, water, option C, rats and fleas, and option D, air. Guys, the correct answer is option C, rats and fleas. The reason is plague is primarily spread by fleas that infest rats. When flea bite on an infected rat, they can carry the bacteria, which is then transmitted to human through flea bites. This was historically a major cause of plague outbreaks. So the correct answer is option C, rats and fleas. Let's move to the next question. Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize in field of medicine? Options are given: option A, Dr. Raman, option B, Dr. Bose, option C, Dr. Khurana, option D, Dr. Narlikar. Guys, the correct answer is option C, Dr. Khurana, because Dr. Hargobind Khurana, an Indian-American biochemist, was awarded the Nobel Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1968 for his work on the structure of DNA and its role in protein synthesis. His groundbreaking research helped to understand how the genetic code directs protein synthesis in a cells. So the correct answer is option C, Dr. Khorana. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following animal is a mammal? Options are given. Option A, kangaroo. Option B, dolphin. Option C, orangutan. Option D, otter. Guys, the correct answer is option B, dolphin, because dolphins are aquatic animals. Unlike fish, mammals breathe air, have warm blood and give birth to a live young. They are known for their intelligence and their social behavior. So the correct answer is option B, dolphin. Guys, the next question is, what is the enamel of tooth made of? Options are given. Calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate, calcium oxide and potassium. Guys, the correct answer will be option A, calcium phosphate, because the enamel of a tooth is primarily made up of calcium phosphate. It is the hardest substance in the human body, providing protection to the tooth from decay and damage. So guys, that's all for today's session on CTET 2024. I hope you found the questions, answers and explanation helpful in your preparation. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the Global Online YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep practicing, keep learning, and together we will make sure you are ready to ace the CTET 2024. For any queries or more resources, feel free to connect with us through the details provided in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. Keep pushing forward. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.